regards to the video game tournament. I'm your host Daniel, and today we're gonna see some awesome battling. Here come the gamers. Gamer number 1, red. Gamer number 2, which is blue. Let's start.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, looks like blue's having a head start, but blue doesn't know that red has power. Yeah. Looks like red is losing some lives, but here's red with his blast. Blue is looking really focused, while red is looking pretty sad. Looks like blue is gonna win. Here blue goes with... Time to give blue's prize. Ta-da! Congrats for blue! Thank you everyone for coming, and see you next year.